The buyer decision process sounds complicated, but it's actually the simple framework your brain uses every time you buy something important. The buyer decision process is the series of steps people go through before making a purchase. It applies to any significant buying decision: phones, cars, software, services. Understanding these steps helps you make better choices and avoid impulse purchases you'll regret. There are 5 stages. Stage 1. Problem recognition. You realize you have a need or problem. Your laptop is too slow, your phone battery doesn't last, or you need cloud storage. This is where the buying process starts. You can't buy a solution until you know there's a problem. Stage 2. Information search. You research options. You read reviews, watch videos, ask friends, compare features. You're gathering information to understand what solutions exist and what differentiates them. This stage determines whether you make an informed decision or rely on guesswork. Stage 3. Evaluation of alternatives. You compare specific options against criteria that matter to you. If you're buying a laptop, you might compare price, performance, battery life, and build quality across 3 models. You're narrowing down choices based on Stage 4. Purchase decision. You choose one option and buy it. This seems simple, but factors like discounts, availability, return policies, or recommendations can change your choice at the last moment. Stage 5. Post-purchase evaluation. After buying, you assess whether the purchase met your expectations. Did it solve the problem? Was it worth the money? This stage influences future buying decisions and whether you recommend the product to others. Understanding this process helps you make better decisions. If you skip the information search or evaluation stages, you risk buying the wrong thing. Impulse purchases fail because they jump straight from problem recognition to purchase without research or comparison. For important purchases, slow down and work through each stage deliberately. For minor purchases, the process happens quickly and subconsciously. That's fine. People think good buyers decide quickly. That's wrong. Good buyers match the decision process to the purchase importance. Spending 2 weeks researching a $1,000 laptop makes sense. Spending 2 weeks choosing a $15 phone case doesn't. That's the buyer decision process. Recognize the problem, research options, evaluate alternatives, make the purchase, then assess the result. Follow these steps for important purchases, and you'll buy smarter.
Solution brief. Fast answers, no fluff.